100 trade setups for today. So, as expected yesterday, we were looking for another green bar. We got a green bar. So, pretty much you could see down, up, down. So, 9 times out of 10, that pattern continues. And it was green. So, what you should be expecting today is a bit of a red bar. However, I feel that with all the noise coming out today, we're probably going to have a pretty explosive day, and that explosive day is going to be the upside. So we have a huge amount of earnings that came through yesterday that were, majority of them were green. We've got another huge amount of earnings coming through today. We've also got the jobs number coming through. There's a flurry of data coming through this afternoon as well. So as far as I'm concerned, trend is up, and we are aiming for, firstly, last week's high, okay, which is the opening of the gap. And then second thing we're aiming for is a gap. And then we're aiming for all-time highs, okay? So where does that leave us with opportunities to buy in? So based on yesterday, we're pretty much sort of going sideways. And remember, I look at the 3 hours to find my trends. And I have a confirmation now that I need to start looking to buy. The first area is going to be pretty much around this weekly level of 3243. Okay. The second area is right where we are now, but I'll get to that on the hour. So what we do have here is a potential double bottom. Over there. That takes us just past the gap, the opening of the gap, basically, into the middle there. And what we'll do is just go back to the 8 hour and see where that level lines up. Okay, and let's zoom in here. And you can see we do have sort of a micro level at this area as well. So, and there's a swing low on it as well. So this is 3314. So that measured move basically targets slap bang in the middle of the gap. Look to the left and you'll see there is some interaction at the level as well. So it does make sense. Okay, let's just get down to the hour because that's the one that we're really interested in. Okay, so we had a very strong rally yesterday. We've broken through sort of this flag structure that was here. Not very pretty, but that was your channel. We've broken through it. We've broken through it quite aggressively. We haven't tested any breakouts, but we are testing one right now, which is this breakout here. Okay, so this area where we are right now at 3255 is definitely an opportunity to buy in. I'd want to see a little bit more buyers coming in, a few more buyers coming in here. You can see the tails already there. So wait for Europe Open, see what happens during that first hour of Europe, that pre-market hour, and then look for the opportunities after that. So if we do break below that, you can pick up every fractional here, and those would offer an area of support that you can look at. If we do get all the way back down here, that is 3243, which is going to offer an opportunity to buy. But quite frankly, I'm looking for the opportunities, and the first target is this previous high here, 3294. And if we get through that, we're then looking at 3314. Then we're looking at 3334. And after that, it's pretty much all-time high. Okay, so that's my structure for today. Be wary, it's probably going to be volatile. You've got data coming, you've got results coming out in the morning, and you've got some massive results coming out this afternoon. I think it was a couple of $1 trillion worth of market cap that was coming out. If you just give me a sec, I'll get there. And so Facebook results aren't out yet. They're expected shortly. And then we have, from a global perspective, we've got Mitsubishi and Panasonic, both of those. Mitsubishi is 3 trillion market cap. Panasonic is a 2.4 trillion market cap. And we have Apple, Amazon, and Alphabet. And throw Facebook into that. You've got MasterCard, Procter & Gamble. You've got Nestle, Samsung, So there are some massive, massive results coming through today. Okay, so anyway, that's it for me today, and definitely looking for opportunity to buy. And right where we are now does offer some value for me, but I'll wait and see what happens in the European Open. We may just spike down into this area, which would offer better value. Hope that helps, and whatever you do, keep those stops really tight, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.